through the night until day. Lightning skies and thunder sway in my mind where shadows play. Crystal sounds, they whisper clear. Sits that glitch in tones unclear. Echoes left from yesteryear.